Hi, I hope you guys are safe and healthy. Guys, thank you so much for an amazing response on the video where I talked about whether the Indian wedding industry would bounce back post-COVID or not. I always knew that my industry colleagues will agree to all those points which I talked about, but to my surprise, I got a lot of DMs, a lot of messages from people who are outside the industry, and they all agreed to all those points. So, how did we do? Did the Indian wedding industry bounce back post-COVID? सबसे पहले guys, do you think there is something called post-COVID? 2nd April 2021, I'm recording this video and the danger still looms upon to us. So with your permission, I'm gonna answer or I'm gonna talk about how did the Indian wedding industry do in spite COVID? Would that be okay? Also, today, it's not just gonna be my perspective, but we at the Wedding Management Institute did a survey about the performance of the wedding industry among the top wedding planners, decorators, designers, photographers, hoteliers, mostly Delhi and Bombay. And I'm gonna share with you the results today of that survey, and I will let you decide the performance of the wedding industry in spite COVID. So the period that we've selected for the survey is 5 months, November 2020 till March 2021. But before we come to the survey or the results of the survey, it is very important for us to understand the challenges that the Indian wedding industry was facing during that time. So with your permission, I'm gonna talk about the challenges first and then we're gonna come to the survey. So the Indian wedding industry, as you all know, is dependent upon the Saya dates, the auspicious dates. And during these 5 months, there were only 8 Saya dates which we could do weddings on, which the families could do weddings on. So that's really, really low, right? Also, there were only 50 people allowed to attend a wedding in Delhi and also in Bombay, and then the limit was later on increased. But the point was, the sentiment in the family was really low. So it was really a difficult period for the Indian wedding industry to do weddings where people were not really going all in, all out to spend in weddings. In spite that, let us just come to the survey now. So the survey, we got 102 responses. The first question that we asked them was, how would you describe the wedding season between November 2020 to March 2021? And we wanted them to rate their experience in terms of bad, average, satisfactory, good, and awesome. And if I combine satisfactory, good, and awesome, it gives me approximately 55% of the people who were satisfied, who thought that it was good, and there were 15% of the people who thought that this wedding season was awesome. भगवान के बंदे होंगे वो लोग. I mean, there are very few people who thought that this wedding season was awesome. The second question, in terms of number of weddings as compared to 2019, how much did you do this year? So apparently only 38% people did 50% and less, and 62% people did 50% and above. And it also had 10% of the people, again, those amazing people, those magical people who did more than last year. 10% people did more than last year in terms of the number of weddings. Also, in terms of number of revenues, also we got similar results. I'm not gonna share those results. I just probably flash it on the screen and for you to see. The next question is about the team members. Increased, decreased, or remained same. So apparently 60% of the people say that it remained same or it has increased. And only 40% people say that they had to reduce the team members. But let's just see the positive side. In spite of all this pressure, all these problems, there were 60% people said that the team members remained same or increased. In fact, if I give you the exact number of people who think that the team members increased was 17%. The last two questions are my favorite. Do you think that if there were more auspicious wedding dates in the season, you would have achieved higher revenue? Guys, we have to understand, क्या हमारे को कोरोना की वजह से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम थी या हमारे को साया डेट्स की वजह से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम थी? So apparently जो मैं मानता था वही हुआ. 75% of the people believe that अगर साया डेट ज्यादा होती, अगर ऑस्पिशियस डेट्स ज्यादा होती तो हमारा रेवेन्यू बहुत ज्यादा होता. So that's it about the survey. The numbers speak it all. What do you think, guys? Are the numbers in our favor, on our side? I believe yes. In spite of all the hardships, difficult times, low sentiment, the Indian wedding industry did not disappoint us this time as well. मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि थोड़े से साया डेट्स और होती, ऑस्पिशियस डेट्स ज़्यादा होती तो हम लोग और बेटर करते. बट नेवरदलेस, I personally believe that we are a recession-proof industry. Exceptions are always there. There are a few people who did not do good. There are a few people who did amazingly well. But अगर overall देखा जाए, it's not just my perception. I think the survey speaks about it. That yes, we are more or less a recession-proof industry, and it's we're doing a good job. So what do you think? Do you think that the Indian wedding industry is really recession-proof? Write down in the comment section below, guys. It's gonna be fun. Let's just hear your side as well. Also, share this video with someone you feel could utilize this information. And yeah, soon we will be posting some more videos, some more educational, informative videos, more fun videos. So you to subscribe our channel, like, subscribe, and share like a pro YouTuber says. So guys, please do it. We put in a lot of effort in making this video. And this is Varun Dua, founder of the Wedding Management Institute, signing off till then. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.